Number 17, we are still simplifying, and they've given us the quantity 7 over 4, and we're raising that to the negative 2 power. And if you recall from earlier in the semester, we really don't want to work with negative exponents. We really can't have negative exponents. And so the first thing that we can do in order to change this negative 2 to a positive 2 is let's go ahead and flip the fraction. So let's flip what's inside this set of parentheses. Don't change any of the signs. All we're doing is literally taking its reciprocal. So as soon as we flip what's inside the parentheses, by virtue of flipping what's in the parentheses, we can now write our exponent as a positive exponent. And now using our power to a power rule, right? Each of these numbers, 4 is raised to the first power, 7 is raised to the first power. And we know that with a power to a power, we multiply. And so what we'll end up with now is 4, and 1 times 2 gives us 2, over 7, and 1 times 2 again is 2. And we can evaluate here, can't we? 4 squared is going to give us 16. 7 squared is going to give us 49. And so for number 17, we have our answer, 16 over 49. Now, you could have treated this differently. We could have gone down here, and right away we could have applied the power rule, and we could have said that 7, again, to the first, over 4 to the first, and all of this is being raised to the negative 2 power. So we could have had 7, now 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, over 4. 1 times negative 2, again, is negative 2. But we end up with negative exponents again. We know that we can't have negative exponents, so we would go ahead and move each of these exponents from either the numerator or denominator. We would simply flip them, and so what we would end up with now is positive 2 as an exponent on top, right? We're moving the entire quantity, so 4 to the now positive 2. 7 moves from the numerator down to the denominator. The exponent changes from negative to positive. And again, we end up with the same answer. 4 squared is 16. 7 squared is 49. So we get to the same answer either way. So whatever your preference is, but you should end up with the same answer. And in this case, 17 is 16 over 49. All right, let's take a look at number 18. I'll see you there.